Escape the fog, your 30-day food revolution. From exhaustion to energy in just 30 days. Switch to this and heal your body fast. This woman was exhausted every single day, dealing with constant bloating and brain fog. She's 42, works full-time, and has both gluten sensitivity and almond allergies. But here's what's crazy. She thought she had to eat bland, boring food forever to feel better. So she tried everything. Generic gluten-free diets from books, expensive meal delivery services, even those elimination diets that made her feel worse. Nothing worked because here's the thing. Most advice ignores the fact that you might have multiple food triggers. But then she discovered something that changed everything. Instead of avoiding all good food, she learned to cook simple, delicious meals that actually fight inflammation. We're talking 30-minute recipes that taste amazing and make your body feel incredible. The secret? When you know exactly what food triggers your inflammation, you can enjoy amazing meals while healing your body. She started with just 5 basic recipes, and within 2 weeks she was waking up energized. No more afternoon crashes, no more bloating after meals. But here's the craziest part. Her family actually loves these meals more than old food. Her kids ask for seconds. Her husband brags about her cooking to his friends, and she's saving even more money because she stopped buying expensive processed foods. Think about it. What if feeling tired and bloated isn't just part of getting older? What if your body is designed to feel amazing when you remove the right triggers? This isn't about being a master chef. It's about following simple steps with the right ingredients. Basic cooking methods with safe foods beat fancy techniques with foods that make you sick. The real question is, how much longer will you accept feeling exhausted when you feel you could wake up energized tomorrow? Your future self will thank you for making this change or regret waiting another day. Click here now.